Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Djirangaye. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your credit score really fast. So please stay and watch this video to the end because I'm going to tell you about a bonus step that you don't want to miss. It's going to help you increase your score dramatically. A lot of times, credit companies will lower your credit score even if you do everything right, you pay your bills on time, but things don't work the way we always wanted. And also, I'm going to announce a giveaway at the end of this video, so please stay tuned to learn how you can win this giveaway. Credit score is one of the most important measures of your financial health in this lifetime we live in. We heavily depend on it. If you live in first world countries like the United States, UK, Canada, Australia, and many other European countries, then you know how crucial it is to have a good credit score. Credit scores tell lenders how responsible you are and how you use credit. When you have a good score, it makes it easier for you to be approved for new loans or new lines of credit. Therefore, having a higher credit score will open so many doors to you when it comes to getting lowest interest rates possible. When you borrow, buy a house, or get a car loan. Having an excellent credit score will save you thousands of dollars in your lifetime because you will get better mortgage rates and auto loans every single time you finance something. So let's go through each step you can take to boost your credit score within the next few weeks to come. Step 1, pay your bills on time. It's very important to pay your bills on time because it's the single largest scoring factor in both FICO and Vintage score credit scoring systems that companies use to determine how you get a higher score or lower score. Paying your bills late dramatically lowers your credit score, and the report of late payments stay on your credit report for 7.5 years. If you miss a payment by a few days, try to make a payment right away. Don't let it pass 1 week or 30 days. The later payments you make, the harder it is for you to pay the bills, and your score suffers. If you have big expenses, try to pay each bill 2 times a month. First, when you receive the bill, make a payment right away, preferably 1 or 2 weeks ahead. Then make another payment before the next balance is due. Doing this lowers your bill drastically and you pay less interest when they charge you. But if you pay your bill once a month, the money you pay is split between the interest and the principal. Your bill does not change much at all. Also, doing this lowers your credit card utilization ratio because your debt is now smaller. Number 2, pay with credit card balances smartly. Make sure your credit card utilization is less than 30%, meaning you must pay less than 30% of your card limit. The lower, the better. The highest scorers use less than 7% of their card limit. You can track your credit card utilization and score for free using Credit Karma or Nerd Wallet. This video is not sponsored by Credit Karma or Nerd Wallet. Credit Karma and Nerd Wallet, if you are watching this video and want to sponsor me, please reach out to me. Your credit utilization is the second biggest factor in determining your credit score, so take this step very seriously and don't go around swiping your card because you have a lot of money on your card. Remember, it's not your money. You still have to pay it back with interest. Number 3, become an authorized user. Another great way to increase your credit score is to have a relative or a friend who has credit card account with a high credit limit and has a good history of making payments on time to add you as an authorized user. This adds that person's account to your credit report for his credit limit to help your credit card utilization. The main goal of this is to help you benefit from that person as the primary user's passive payment history. Keep in mind that the account holder does not have to let you use the card or give you the account number of the card. You just benefit only from being added as an authorized user to help you increase your credit score. To have your credit score improve more, make sure the account the person is using is reported to all 3 major credit bureaus like TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Number 4, dispute credit report errors. Whenever a mistake is reported on your credit score, it lowers your credit score. So when you discover any errors, please call credit bureaus to have them remove errors from your credit reporting history. Doing this would make your credit score to go up higher. Number 5, ask to have negative entries paid off removed from your credit report. When you pay your bills late, there is a late payment that still shows up on your credit report, including collection accounts. Therefore, ask to have these late payments removed from your credit report. Number 6, keep all the accounts open. If you haven't, all the credit card account that do not close them. Closing them would lower your score and increase your credit utilization ratio. The longer you have credit cards you're not using anymore, it adds more years to your credit history and makes your credit utilization rate lower, making your score to go up higher. Number 7, avoid applying for new credit cards, car loans, and mortgage. When you apply for a new credit card or car loans or mortgage, companies check your credit scores with credit bureaus to see if you have a good credit score before giving you the loan. So when they check your credit score, it leaves hard inquiries on your credit report, which lowers your credit score significantly. Hard inquiries stay on your credit report for up to 2 years. The question is, why hard inquiries damage your credit score? When you keep applying for many credit scores or loans, it lets banks and credit companies know that you are facing financial difficulties and you are a bigger risk and they might not get their money back. The moral of the story is if you are trying to raise your credit score, avoid applying for new credit lines for a while. Allow all the hard inquiries to follow first for your credit score to go up. All right, here's the time for the bonus step I was telling you about. So let's talk about it. This bonus step you're not gonna find anywhere else except here in my channel. You can go online, you can Google about it, and you're not gonna find it. So you can take what I'm telling you with a grain of salt and pay great attention if you want to increase your credit score. And if you do exactly what I'm telling you, definitely you're gonna see a big improvement. So when it comes to time for paying your credit card bills or any other loans, you gotta be very, very careful because banks and credit companies are very greedy, and with any little mistake, they're gonna lower your credit score big time. So what I'm trying to say that, for example, you can, spend your credit card buying large amount of stuff. Let's say if you end up using $2,000, they can also lower your credit score for you spending large amount of money all of a sudden. Even though you are paying your bills on time and everything else, they're gonna lower your credit score because you just spend a huge amount of money. And they're gonna say your balance increased. That's why they lower your credit score. Isn't that interesting? So the next time, if you have your credit score drop down all of a sudden and you haven't done nothing wrong, you're making payments, you haven't missed no payment, check and see. It's because of that reason. And another thing that you also have to be very, very careful to, right? Let's say you spend about $3,000 on your credit card and you are making, your regular monthly payments, but of course they keep increasing your interest and your bill keeps going up instead of going down. So you get mad, and then let's say you end up paying a big lump sum off, or just close your eyes and pay the entire credit card bill off completely, which it's stuff that all of us want to do. And if you want to save money, you have to be able to pay all your debts all at once, which is good. But when you end up paying that $3,000 off completely, the credit score companies lower your credit score because you paid it all off all at once, right? And you might think paying your bills is a good thing, right? But they don't like that because when you pay everything off, they're missing the money now because you won't be able to pay them interest no more. So they don't like that, and they will report that to the credit bureaus, and they lower your bill completely low with a huge amount of points just to punish you for paying large amount of bill off. So you gotta be careful when you make these payments. And another bonus step you can use to pay your bills off early on time so that you can reduce your credit card utilization to make it low. Like I mentioned in the video earlier, you have to pay your bills 2 times a month. And in order for you to pay less interest every time they send you the bill, let's say if your bill, they send you $35 a month, then you want to make sure you want to double that amount. If your bill, if it's $35, you want to pay at least $100. But if you only pay $35, then you are not really paying the bill at all. You are just paying the interest, just without knowing, because the actual amount you are really paying from that $35, probably you're paying like $10 that goes toward the principal, and the rest of $25 is all going into interest. That's why every single time you pay these bills for the minimum balance they send you, your bill is not going down. It keeps going up because you are not paying a big chunk of it. So therefore, if you receive a bill of $35, make sure to pay at least probably $70 or pay $100. Doing this way to help you pay the bill faster and you pay less interest. All right, it's time to announce the giveaway finally. So I have right here in my hand is the universal smartphone tripod that one of my luckiest viewers and subscribers is going to get this tripod free of charge. So the rules are very simple. All you have to do, whether you're a new viewer, returning viewer, all you have to do is subscribe to this video you're watching and like this video and leave me a comment below saying that you subscribed. And if you already subscribed to my channel in the past, it's okay. You can also like this video and comment it below as well that you already subscribed. And 1 month from now on, when when I make another video, I will announce the winner within 1 month from the time of posting this video. So all I will do, once I pick the winner, I will announce on my up next coming video, and the winner will DM me through an email with their mailing address, and I'll be sending this to the winner's address free of charge. I will pay the shipping and everything for my viewers and subscribers. So it's very simple. So all you have to do, like this video, subscribe to this video, and leave me a comment below saying that you are subscribed. So it's very easy, all you have to do once you get this is very smart, very small. You can use this tripod attached to your phone. You can use it to record videos for your YouTube channel. If you're doing YouTube, or if you plan to do YouTube channel, you can use this to record videos. You can record videos at a party, or you can outside. Maybe you can use it to do your other social media videos as well. So I think it would be a great way to use this. Very convenient. So don't miss out on having a chance to win this.